Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 4 because if we put this one go in here and here, we can cancel about the fourth root and the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about 4u to the power of 3 du. So we put this one go in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one you got about u square. This one you got about u. Number 4 divided by 2. You got about number 2 in here. U to the power of 3 divided by u square. You got about u in here. Now, I need to use another integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to 2 plus u. Because we still have u in here, so we put number 2 on the left. Next, we put the integration. We do derivative for the both sides. We have dt equals to du. So this one we change by t. About u, that's about t minus 2. This one we change dt. So I will put number 2 outside. T divided by t to the power of 3, you got about 1 over t square minus number 2 t to the power of negative number 3. The integration of 1 over t square in here, you got about negative 1 over t. The integration of t to the power of negative number 3, you got t to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And we put about c in here. This one, you got negative number 2, negative number 2. Negative number 2 simplify negative number 2. So this one you got about 1 over t square. T, that is about this one. U, that is about this one. So we put the root for the both sides. So you will have about u equals to 4 root. So we put this one to replace for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.